July. Fired up the grill, and I'm going to show you what I'm making. I pre-made the marinade for the recipe that I'm making here. It's in the video. I'm ready to put it together now. Let's see. For the marinade, I'm going to use about half of this bottle of Russian dressing. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. 1/8 of a teaspoon of pepper. And then 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And mix this together. Set that aside. So cut up the meat. About an inch cubed, but with the way these steaks are, the only steaks I could find in the store because of the holiday. Now I'm going to put some of this marinade on my steaks. Mix it well. The rest of it will be for when I'm grilling. I'm going to cover this and put it in the refrigerator for about, say, 7 hours when I cook it on the grill. I'm just going to take them out individually. You can rinse it if you want to, but I figure just leave them in the bowl. It's going to be a mess anyhow. And I'm cutting up the vegetables. I'm putting in onion, red pepper, green pepper, mushrooms, and bacon. I'm using thick slice because I don't trust that thin slice will keep on the kebab. They say you use thin slice, but we'll see. Start with a vegetable. They're not too thick. Should be okay. Let me show it to you. Fired up grill. Stick these on here. Cover it up. I've turned them over after cooking on the other side for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to put on this paste. Start hearing fireworks. I moved the others to the side. I still like those to cook a little bit more. But I'm gonna stick some of this sauce on here. They're almost done, the ones I had on there first. Kabobs are still cooking, but I'm going to enjoy one of these and take a break. I am so exhausted and hot and sweaty. And if there's good fireworks tonight, I'll be back on with for fireworks. So taste one of this. Really good barbecue sauce. Not super sweet, like I hate. Let's try some of the meat. If I can get to it. I can see what people mean about it being rubbery if you use thick bacon. It's still very, very good. Taste the summer. It's really nice. Give this a shot and use a thin bacon if you can find it. And I'll see you in the next video, unless fireworks come on. Some good fireworks down there.